services officers, distinguished guests, dear parents, beloved teaching and non-teaching staff, and most importantly, our dear young graduates. Today is a proud, memorable occasion as we gather to celebrate the kindergarten graduation ceremony for the academic year 2025-26.
Become possible only because of the support of all the stakeholders who are here with me today. Parents, this is a great moment for you. 2 years before, perhaps 3 years before, you came to the school, handed over the child to our custody, and moved away from the school with a heavy heart and tears welled up in your eyes, departing your student from your own bosom and leaving them into the comfort of the school. There was a moment that you cried, even your child also cried. It was a difficult time for the teachers to control them, pacify them, comfort them, and it took some time for them to get adjusted to the school.